Hello coffee lover. Today I'll show you how to use Delonghi NESCAFE Dolce Gusto coffee capsules machine. This is a relatively cheap way to get your hands on some delicious coffee or chocolate drinks. If you want to have coffee on a daily basis, then this is not the right machine, as the cost will be high. This is a Delonghi NESCAFE Dolce Gusto Genio SEDG 225 white coffee capsules machine. To use it you need to buy the correct capsules. In my case the capsule packaging needs to be Dolce Gusto logo on the capsules to make them fit. Once bought the capsules, the rest is easy. The package shows the making rules. It will be hot and you have to set the 5th level of the 7 levels. Then pour in the water. I usually try to keep it to max level, in case grandma and her friends come to visit. Don't forget to put the water cap back on, so the flies don't fall in. You can also fill the water by removing the water bowl, as no water leaks out of the bowl when it is disconnected from the machine. If you use espresso coffee capsules and a small mug, you can put the base higher up. In my case the mug is for large drinks. The water is poured, the cup is inserted, then we uncap the machine and take out the container where the coffee capsule is inserted. As you can see, the capsule itself also indicates which level is to be set. The principle of operation is simple. A needle is inserted into the capsule, through which the high-pressure hot water is then injected. Similar to a professional coffee machine. Put the capsule holder back in the machine and close the cap. With one finger it is more difficult, but with one hand it is quite easy to close. Look on the packaging. To see that this is a hot drink, turn on the hot water mode, and set the amount of water you need. Once this is done, you can press the start button. The process has started, it is already starting, you can smell chocolate. I set it to level 5 out of 7, but you can safely change this value, as it only determines the amount of water used. You can reduce or increase this level over time, depending on what strength you prefer. The drink is ready, time to drink. Once the capsule has cooled down, you can take it out, you can see where the needle hole is. Note that the capsule can drip. Even if you throw it in the trash, a lot of water comes out. That's it. This machine is really so easy to use. Next time I will show you how to easily descale this coffee capsule machine. But for now, have a delicious coffee and see you in other home stuff videos. Have a nice holiday.